aquachrome nail bar out, and it's from the LA Colors. It's kind of like an iridescent colors. They have that one. They have this one. They have the purple. They have those. And then they have little gemstones. No large. And those, they have these ones. And then they got the marble. These are new sticker foil sheets. We have 56 in here. And this is what they look like. And then they have this design here. The dogs. So, here's what they look like. Ooh, the Dalmatian's so cute. And then they have this other one here with the frogs. It's cute. I don't know how many other options. Well, I do have the new Care Bears out, but these are $1.75. I don't know how much. I think these were at Five Below before. I don't know how much they are. They got the Good Luck Bear. They got Laugh A Lot Bear. Yeah, the Good Luck. Oh, and they have Grumpy Bear. So cute. What bear is this? Oh, and then they have Harmony Bear. So they come in single boxes. So here's what they all look like. Up close. And I believe they're $1.75. They have a new pretzel out by Pop Daddy. This is strawberry shortcake flavor. And then recently, not too long ago, they had the birthday cake popcorn from Pop Daddy as well. But yeah, that's a new flavor. Two new popcorns that they have out is by Lesser Evil. And it's Himalayan pink salt. 43 calories per cup. And they use no seed oils. They use the virgin coconut oil. And then they have this one, Himalayan Gold. Yeah, and this one's just a buttery flavor. And this is the original. I don't want to get them and try them. They're having like in popcorns. Over in the Easter candy section, they put out these little dinosaurs and they have Smarties in them. Those are cute. I think they're $1.50, I want to say. And they got different dinos with the egg inside of it. So those are really cute. I think I missed a couple of things that they added. They added these Dole jelly beans, mixed berry flavor. And of course the Peeps jelly beans. And then they have a Krabby Patty, of course. Those ones are $1.50. They do have $5 ones. This is Lemon Crisp Kit Kat. And it's $5. Then they have these sour chili bite jelly beans. These are $3.50. So those are interesting. And then they have the Airheads mini bars and Berry Crisp, Hatch and Berry, Bunny Melon Magic, and Cherry Crisp. Or Chirpy Cherry, I mean. I don't know where I got crisp from. Those are $3.50. I got the Sour Patch Bunnies for $3.50 as well. They got these Sour Punch Twists for $3.50. They got the Sour Patch Jelly Beans for $3.50. These are brand new. Tootsie Eggs. Oh, those are cool. $1.25. Might get me some of those. Just to try those. And they have these Tootsie Roll. They're candy coated. So those are interesting. So these are new little strawberry bunnies. They got a strawberry milkshake. It is by Palmer though. So if you don't like Palmer, then I wouldn't get it. But these are new this year. This one is the double crisp. I don't know about the double crisp one, if it's new or not. But the milkshake one is new. Then also in jelly beans, they have these Fruity Pebble ones. Jelly beans as well. They got the bunnies. Let's see what else they have. So I came over here the next day. They also have Carrot Patch Pete. Whatever that is. I think I showed you the rest of the other candy already. Yeah, pretty sure. So they have this new hair oil puddle from S&G. I wonder if you could use this for like different things, like maybe like dyeing your hair or something. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, and then they have these that are new. They have the Cinderella Blemish packs. And it's not Cinderella, and then they have Disney, Snow White. They're the Snow White mask. And they also have Cinderella. And they also have Moana. And then this is a little bit of the plus section. They had some new Barbie stuff out and some dolls. But if you're liking this video so far, be sure to give it a like and subscribe down below for more Dollar Tree Shop with me's. And I was just showing you a little bit of the prices. Yeah. So they have some of those for $5. And these new kites that were $5, I believe. And a pretty purple unicorn there. And a dragon. They have a few new Hot Wheels out here. They have this one. Kind of looks like that telephone. That old school telephone little thing. It's called Quick Chat. And it's cute. And then they have the Knight Rider one. The Knight Rider car. HW kit concept. So, they don't have too many new cars. But I thought I'd show you a little bit of them. So, that's all they have basically. That I found that are kind of cool. We have this new puzzle activity offline Sudoku. And this is what it looks like. And it's my Dreamtivity. There's some of the pages. Interesting. These are new little cookie sticks. They're from Pepro Latte. I don't know what that is. This is a white cookie. I guess it's a pretzel stick. It says 1 pack. I don't know how many you get in here, but it just says 1 pack. And then they have this one. It says #1 in Korea, so it's probably made in Korea. This one is original. I'm guessing it's just chocolate. And then they have this one. This one says it's strawberry. That's pretty good. I don't know, I might get this one. And the cookies and cream. Thought I'd show you these eggs that they have out and like the foods. Here they have the pizza, the pretzel, the chicken, the hamburger. And they have this one with the pie, the cookie, and the ice cream. Kind of cute. You get 6 in there. These are new over the snack aisle. These are Bud's Best Cookies. Birthday cake. That's interesting. And then they also have this one. This one's white chocolate chip cookies. Also by Bud's Best cookies. Oh, and then they also have the oatmeal cream mini ones as well. And they kind of changed the packaging on the cinnamon crumb cake bites. It's like in a package now. 5.29. I don't know if that's more or less. Usually they used to come in like a box shape. I don't see any that was here. Oh, this is a new one. They have tons of snacks that are new today. They have this one. It's cocoa-filled muffin bites from the Muffin King. So those are new. And then I think they had the chocolate brownie bite ones, but those are out as well. And they also have the like Twinkie dupes sort of thing from Baker's Home back again. Wow, another new snack. They have this one that says Tidbit Espresso Long Lasting Energy for Everyday Premium Trail Mix. So it's got cocoa coffee beans, coffee pearls, roasted salted almonds, roasted salted cashews, and roasted salted peanuts. So that's really interesting. Then they have this from Tidbit as well. Hot honey cashew kettle cooked. So those are new as well. Oh, and then I was showing you the cookies earlier from Palmer's, but they have this one that's out. Milk chocolate shortbreads. So that's new as well. And they usually have out banana chips, but they don't have it by this brand out usually. This is Paradise Valley. You can get banana chips in the 3 ounces. So that looks pretty good. So this is a new drink they have out. They don't even have it unwrapped really. But this is a new no sugar added Nilo passion fruit drink. Antioxidant superfruit. And it does still say that it has calories in it, so I don't know why. So here is all the ingredients. It does have some vitamins in it. But yeah, these are not from concentrate. So that's the new drink.